Hello, friends. Do you know how they say excuse me in China? How they ask about someone's wife or children? Why Chinese people ask if you have eaten the meal? How to welcome someone after a long time in Chinese? Most importantly, you will see a whole lot of festivals in China. In that case, one should know how to wish for birthday, New Year, or other festivals. You shall learn this all in this very video. Friends, Chao Ku means take care. Chao means mirror. Its character has radicals of sun, knife, fire, and face. That is, protect your face from sun, knife, and fire. Ku means look back. As a whole, take care is said as Chao Ku. Hao means good. Z means since, and Chi means self. Zichi is used to talk about oneself. Take care of yourself. 照顾好自己. 照顾好自己. Ta means to hit. Its radicals look as if to hit with strong hands. Rao means to disturb or divert the attention. Its radicals look as if to point out someone. E means one. Sha means down. Isha means a little. Ta Rao Isha, give me a little attention. May I have your attention, please? Or in other words, excuse me. Similarly, Tarao Neela means sorry to disturb you. The meaning of the word how is good. You can see its usage in the previous video, the link to which is available in the video description. The word chio is used to express a long time. Its character is similar to the character for the number 9, which is the largest number when written in digits. Similarly, for the concept of a long time, the shape of Chio's character is also similar to that for number 9. The word pu means not or negative. It is often used to create negative sentences. Its character resembles a person shaking their head left and right. Mei is also used for negation. We will explain the difference between pu and mei later in the video. The word jian means to meet. We have seen this word in the previous video. Hao Chio Puchian means long time no see. The word zan means how. Its character contains the radicals for suddenly and heart. It is used to ask how something has happened, like if someone suddenly experiences a heart attack. Ma is a question particle used to make a sentence into a question. It is also used to convert a verb into an adverb. For example, Zamma means how, Shamma means what, and Tuama means how much. Yang means shape or appearance. Its character contains the radicals for tree and sheep, both of which are thick. However, there is a slight difference in shape between the two. Zamayang means what is the current status? How is everything going? Zamma means how is something or someone doing? Ma character has a slope on both sides, indicating the direction in which something may fall if something falls on it. This reflects the nature of asking a question. Sh means matter, problem, or affair. Its character has several oblique lines on top of a straight line, indicating that matters are not straightforward. Zamash means what is the matter or what's going on. Ni means you. We saw this word at the beginning of the previous video in Ni Hao. Ta is used to indicate possession. It can be translated as of or apostrophe s. Its character is like a white string or tape that has been wrapped around an object and is now attached to it. Chang is used to measure height or length, and Fu is used to refer to a worker or laborer, especially one who is forced or conscripted. Surprisingly, both words are also used for a husband in certain circumstances, whereas Chang Fu is more commonly used to refer to a husband than either word alone. Hao Ma means is it good? Nita Chang Fu Hao Ma means is your husband good? Nita means your. Thai Thai is what wife is called in Chinese. Thai means very much. When it appears twice, it indicates that the speaker's intention is not to ask for very much, but to suggest wife. Nita Thai Thai Hao Ma means is your wife good? Zui means most. Its character contains the radical for the sun and the ear, indicating that heat of the sun and the pain of the earache are very intense. Chin means nearly or approximately. Zuichin means the recent past or just now. Zuichin Zamyang means what's going on these days or how have you been lately. Ni means you. Ch means to eat something. The character Ch looks like a person holding a spoon near a dish with an open mouth. La is used to create perfect tense, indicating that the action has been completed. In this case, chula means have eaten. Ma is a question particle used at the end of a sentence to form a question. So, ni chula ma means have you eaten? Wa means I or me. Its character has a hand on its left and a knife or dagger on its right, as if holding a knife in one's hand to protect himself. Ch means to eat. La is a particle used to indicate that an action has been completed. Vachla means I have eaten. Va means I or me. Hai means still or yet. Its character has no and walk as radicals, indicating that something has not started yet. May means not. Its character has water, table, and again as radicals, which means not to spill water over the table again. Friends, please note that pu is also used for not or negation, but pu is for the present or future tense, while mei is for the past tense. Wa hai mei chu means I have not eaten yet. Huan means happy. Its character seems as if to yawn in happiness again and again. Ying means to meet. Huan Ying means to meet happily or welcome. Similarly, to say I welcome you, one can say Huan Ying ni. If you know the difference between I welcome you and you're welcome, please explain in the comment section. Chu is used to wish someone. Its character has God, face, and sun radicals, as if to ask for a son from God for someone. Ni means you. How means good, and Yun is used for luck. Its character seems as if walking on the clouds. So, Chuni Hao Yun means I wish you good luck or simply good luck. Chuni means I wish you. Shang means life. R means day. Shangr means birthday. Khoi means pleased or happy, and its character represents a calm and content heart. La also means happy. Khoi la means very happy or congratulations. Therefore, Shangri Khoi la is the way to say happy birthday. Or you can say Chuni Shangri Khoi la. Chuni Shangri Khoi la. Chuni Shangri Khoi la. Chuni Shangri Khoi la. Sin is used for something new. Its character seems to have been cut from a tree with an axe and then a new stand is made. Nian means ear. Its character has kan or dryness and noon as radicals. Sin Nian Kwai La means Happy New Year. Similarly, to celebrate other events, Kwai La is added to express congratulations. If you want to express your wishes to someone, you can use the word chu followed by kh. Its character contains the radicals for God, mouth, and sun, which indicates the speaker's sincerity and protection for the person they are speaking to. Therefore, chu khe ni means I wish you. Chu khe ni hao yun is I wish you good luck. Chu khe ni shangri kwai le means happy birthday to you. Congratulations.